Klover is a financial app that gives users access to money management tools and cash advance features without working like a traditional payday loan. By the end, you'll know how Klover works, what makes it different, and what to check before deciding if it fits your financial situation. Klover is designed for people who want help managing short-term money needs through a mobile app. Instead of going through a traditional lender, users interact with the app to access available financial features. The main reason people look at Klover is its cash advance option. A cash advance is not the same as a long-term loan because it is designed around accessing money before your next paycheck. That can be useful when an unexpected expense comes up and you need a short-term solution. It does not replace having a budget or emergency savings plan, so it is important to understand how you will repay any money you access. Klover also focuses on money management features. The app can help users keep track of financial activity and understand their spending habits. The biggest question is whether Klover is actually worth using. The answer depends on how you plan to use it. Someone who needs occasional short-term help may find the app useful, while someone looking for a complete banking replacement may need a different type of financial product. Before using Klover, check the available fees, eligibility requirements, and repayment terms. These details determine the actual cost and whether the service makes sense for you. It is also important to compare Klover with other financial options. Traditional credit cards, personal loans, savings, or other financial apps may work better depending on your situation. A good way to evaluate Klover is to ask one question. Does this solve a short-term problem without creating a bigger one later? If the repayment process fits your budget, it may be a helpful tool. If repayment would make your next paycheck harder to manage, it may not be the right choice. Klover can be a legitimate financial app for people who understand how its features work and use it carefully. The key things to review are costs, repayment expectations, and whether it matches your money habits. Before signing up, read the terms inside the app and compare it with other options available to you. If this helped you understand whether Klover is worth considering, subscribe for more simple breakdowns of financial apps and money tools.